iMusician for Musician's Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're a musician looking to take control of your music distribution and royalties without dealing with major labels, iMusician might seem like an appealing solution. But is it worth your time and money? In this review, I'll break down its features, who it's designed for, and whether it delivers on its promises. iMusician is tailored for independent artists, bands, and producers who want to distribute their music globally across platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and YouTube Music. One standout feature is its lifetime plan, allowing you to release music without recurring subscription fees, ideal for artists who prefer a one-time payment model. They also offer flexible pricing tiers, so you can choose based on your needs, whether you're releasing singles, albums, or managing a catalog. Another strong feature is royalty collection. iMusician simplifies this process by helping you collect from digital platforms, YouTube Content ID, and even neighboring rights. This is particularly useful for artists who want to ensure every revenue stream is accounted for without needing additional services. Their fair pay policy ensures that artists keep 100% of their royalties after fees, a rarity in the music distribution space. The platform also includes tools like pre-release setup for Spotify and Apple Music, giving you control over launch dates and maximizing visibility. For those serious about analytics, iMusician provides detailed stats on your streams, downloads, and audience demographics, empowering you to make data-driven decisions about your career. While the features are robust, iMusician does come with some drawbacks. Customer support can be slow to respond, particularly for users on the lower tier plans. Additionally, while the lifetime pricing sounds great, the upfront cost may not be ideal for artists on a tight budget. And while iMusician makes distribution easy, marketing and playlist pitching are minimal, so you'll need to invest in promotion separately. So, who is iMusician really for? If you're an independent musician who values transparency, flexible pricing, and retaining control of your royalties, this platform could be a game changer. However, if you're just starting out and need full-service promotion or immediate hands-on support, you might want to pair this with additional services or consider other options. Overall, iMusician is a solid choice for independent musicians seeking streamlined global distribution and reliable royalty collection. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Make sure you assess your goals and budget before committing.